Finding shorts in a 30 to 60 minute or longer video is pain. Most moments are meh and you won't get any views. I found a tool that actually helps me and I want to share it with you. OpusClip. Not sponsored at all, just less suffering in my editing process. Let me give you a quick overview so you can decide if it's worth your time. What is it? OpusClip is AI video repurposing. It finds candidate clips, scores them, adds captions and emojis, reframes them to vertical, cleans audio and lets you publish them or download. The usage is pretty simple. You paste a link, YouTube, Twitch, Rumble, whatever, or upload a file directly. You pick a time range. Each analyzed minute costs 1 credit, so don't burn your quota because you're being lazy. You set your preferred caption style and a quick prompt. For example, find my comments about the characters in this Let's Play. Then hit Get Clips in one click. You'll see progress on the dashboard and get an email when it's done. And in the end, you'll get tons of clips from a long video, often enough to schedule content for weeks. Having your clips ready, you're presented with a viral score. You'll see the green number next to the video, and when clicking onto the video, you get subscores for hook, flow, value, and trend, which is a nice guidance, but always take it with a grain of salt. My 99s didn't go magically viral, it's still AI guessing. To edit the clip, open the clip editor to cut or rearrange, switch aspect ratios, tweak captions, and fine-tune. The AI co-producer is a cool addition for prompt-based edits, but it's still very early. When you're happy, either schedule from OpusClip or export and upload manually to your socials. But what does all of the fun cost? Good news, there's a free plan with 60 credits a month, 1080p, but a watermark and no in-app editing. Paid tiers exist with the Starter and Pro. Starter begins at around $15 and Pro is cheaper annually. Prices change, however, so always check the current rates. In the end, honestly, I like it. It doesn't replace thinking or a real editor, but it accelerates the boring part, finding usable moments so you can spend more time creating, which should be the real purpose of AI, assisting and not replacing. However, if you're searching for more one-button replacement for editing, storytelling, and taste, this one isn't what you're looking for, and honestly, the latter is what defines you as a content creator. I would say maybe give it a try with a free plan, and if you want more, go with Starter, and if you decide you can't use it, just cancel it after the first month. So, drop a comment, like and subscribe if this kind of video helps you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.